So hello everyone, we are back again with something new for all of you, and today's our topic is interactive class with wheels of names. Understand how to use it and how to make our class interact. First thing we need to do is let's go on Google. So to understand what exactly is a rule, we need to first type wheels of names. The moment I type that, and you can see the first option which we get is wheels of names random name picker. So how we can use it, it's very simple. You don't have to even log in. I'll just tell you how to use it. So you can see on the right side here, so these are all the numbers which I have placed it here. I need the number as per my class strength. You can make it to 50 also, and you can see randomly the number is gone. I'll rotate it once again. So now you can see the roll number 1 has come up here. I can ask question to roll number 1. I can just click here. The option is done. Roll number 1 is removed from here. And this way you can add multiple roll numbers here. Now this is one way of asking question via the roll number. Now what if you want to put some questions here and then randomly you want to ask questions? So I'll just write some subjects and I'll give you idea about how it looks. So I'll write science here. You can see math, English. So you can see simple, in a simple manner, random picker is creating titles, different titles, which we are putting on the right side. And you can see on top here, it says how many entries are there, how many results will be obtained. And this way we can just keep on putting. I'll write SS, and you can see there are 4 subjects. You can also use it during the quiz. You can also use it for creating fun in the classroom if you want to just ask question randomly to the student, and you can pick like this. So I'll just rotate it here again. You can see, so I've got a title of SS. You can ask any question related to SS, or multiple options here in this. Also you can actually customize it. You can actually use the sound which you want. So let's say we want to use a Bollywood music. So you can see you heard the song which was the sound which was a Bollywood sound. We can actually change the music also. You can see I can actually have a dramatic music also. So let's hear how it sounds. You can also see, you can hear in the customization, you can actually change the timing of spinning. You can change it to 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You can also understand what sound you want to hear after the spin is done. So you can star, and we can have correct answer ding also, and you can differently, basically as per your requirement, you can change it. So have these sounds also, and you can definitely change it. And in terms of appearances, you can change the color. You can actually upload the image also if you want to upload. So let's say I have this image ready, so I'm just going to upload this. You can make the size. You can also give the option that it merges with the image which you have uploaded, which I don't want to do it right now because it looks very colorful. You can see different subject. I can just rotate heard the sound. So this is how you can have different subjects. You can create the quizzes also, or you can put the numbers of student who you would like to answer. And this is how random picker work. It's now, if you're thinking that how many entries you can do here, so you can just keep on adding, but I guess 60 would be more than sufficient. You can see, I'll just show you randomly. I'm just creating here. So you can see as many numbers, the size keeps on decreasing, but you will have option of entering multiple roll numbers or students name. It won't take any of your time, any much of your time. I'm just sharing the same thing with you. I'll be also putting the link of the tool in the description box. So if you feel this was new for you to try it out and you have learned something new from this, do put your comment in, and also do subscribe to our channel. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.